This message is transmitted at the request of the civil authorities by the time of 8 p.m. the civil night time. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. The trollge is coming soon. Every citizen watching this must seek shelter right now. Any kind of resistance will be futile. You all have only a few days. Please stay tuned for more information about the trollge.
Hello human, after waiting for so long, I can finally get my revenge on you all for forgetting me on the internet. I am the trollge, and you will all die for forgetting me. Get prepared for the Armageddon.
Breaking news, a person who works at NASA was found dead on the chair after hearing a loud sound on the phone. Doctors believe he died of a heart attack because he got too scared. We will not put the sound here to not scare the viewers, but we fortunately got a recording. Apparently it was the creature named Trollge who killed him. We are currently investigating the case. Here is the recording.
I am the trollge, and you will all die for forgetting me. Get prepared for the Armageddon.
Updates about the trollge. The trollge is getting even closer, and he isn't even in this dimension, and he already made a victim, which gives a signal which he will be extremely deadly, and it was confirmed. We all have only 4 days now before he comes to this dimension. Please seek shelter before it's too late.
How can we get through this?
Take a good look at the doll's back.
Doll! Put it down! Oh. Damn it!
I don't know who started this shitty game, but that button should end it. So...
We're extremely sorry for interrupting your movie session, but there are 3 days before trollge comes, so if you haven't found shelter, we recommend you seek shelter right now.
There isn't much time left. It is confirmed that for your death to be short and painless, you need to kill yourself before he plays with you. If confronted, you must also kill yourself. All the incidents will be uncaged in the same day.